Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to sync Gmail with Google Sheets via Zapier in under 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for entrepreneurs or anyone wanting to boost productivity. Let's begin. First, visit Zapier.com. This powerful platform links your applications to automate repetitive tasks. Navigate to the upper right corner and select Login. If you're new, choose Sign Up, but existing users should simply log in with their Google credentials to speed things up. Once you're on the dashboard, hit the Create button. This opens the workspace for your Zaps, which are your automated sequences. From here, pick Zaps to start a fresh automation. Click on Trigger to define the starting event. Since we are using Gmail, select the Gmail icon. A menu will appear. Choose New Email as your specific event. This ensures the automation runs every time a message hits your inbox. Now, sign into your Gmail account to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. After connecting Gmail, you must verify the connection. Press the Test button to view your latest emails. This confirms that Zapier is successfully reading your data. Next, move to the Action phase. Click Action to decide where your email info will be sent. Pick Google Sheets from the list of apps. For the event, select Create Spreadsheet Row. This instruction tells the system to add a new line to your sheet for every incoming email. Log into your Google account again if prompted so Zapier can edit your files. Once your spreadsheet fields and email data are correctly linked, hit Test. Check your actual Google Sheet for a new entry to verify it works. Finally, click Publish to turn on your automation. You have now successfully linked Gmail to Google Sheets. Enjoy the extra free time as Zapier manages the data entry for you. Thanks for watching.